American International Industries presents Easy Flow Nail Systems Acrylic Application Techniques. Easy Flow Nail Systems is committed to providing nail technicians with cutting-edge products and quality education. Easy Flow acrylic products are designed for the ease of application and a beautiful finish look. Our colors stand apart and are consistent time after time, whether you are applying our A-polymer traditional powders, our Fast Set Competition Series powders, or our innovative Boogie Nights glitter acrylic and design colored acrylic powders. This Easy Flow educational video will take you step by step through the following application techniques: Sculptured nails, pink and white; Perfection French with clear overlay; Boogie Nights overlay with leisure glass tips; Fun French sculptured nails; Color fade with 3D flowers; Tiger stripe; Color drop nail with Boogie Nights; Flower design nail; Perfection French with pink and white overlay; one ball application with natural powder. Proper preparation of the nail plate determines how the artificial nail is going to wear between maintenance appointments by helping to eliminate lifting and peeling. Begin all Easy Flow nail applications with the following preparation procedures. Use Easy Flow Purify hand sanitizer to sanitize your hands and your client's hands. Prepare the natural nail using the 5 preparation procedures. 1. Gently push back the cuticle using the spoon end of the Easy Flow Pro Pusher. 2. Remove the pterygium carefully from the nail plate using the pterygium remover end of the Easy Flow Pro Pusher. 3. Remove the shine from the nail plate using an Easy Flow 180 grit Gray Fox profile in a forward and back motion from the cuticle to the free edge. Make sure that there are no remaining shiny spots on the nail plate. After etching is complete, shape the free edge of the nail so the form will fit securely. 4. Remove the filing dust from the nail plate using a manicure brush. 5. Apply 2 coats of Easy Bond to the natural nail to cleanse and dehydrate the surface of the nail plate. Allow each coat of Easy Bond to dry to a chalky finish. If you are sculpting artificial nails, sparingly apply Easy Flow Primer to the nail plate for adhesion of acrylic. Apply Easy Flow Primer on the surface of the nail plate to ensure the proper adhesion of the nail enhancement. Allow primer to dry. Apply nail forms while the first coat of primer is drying. Place the center portion of the form on the back of the grid side for extra strength and stability while sculpting. Roll the form to create a curved surface. Place the form up to the free edge of the nail. Set the form down on the finger and pinch the tip together. Sparingly apply a second coat of Easy Flow Primer to the natural nail plate after the first coat has dried. If you are applying nail tips, choose and size Easy Flow tips to best fit the nail plate. Apply Easy Flow brush-on resin in the well of the tip. Rock the tip on from the free edge toward the cuticle to eliminate air pockets. Cut the tip with 1 cuts to the desired length. For French tips, shape the sides and the free edge with a 150 grit Gray Wolf file. Once you have finished shaping, lightly buff the surface of the tip with a 240 grit Sand Shark file. Remove the filing dust with a manicure brush. For half-well tips, shape and gently blend the tip with the surface of the nail plate using a 150 grit Gray Wolf to eliminate the line of demarcation. Begin blending by filing in one direction over the top of the nail to remove the outer layer of the tip. File graduation will give you proper blending between the natural nail and the tip. Once you have blended the tip, finish by using 180 grit Gray Fox over the tip. Remove the filing dust with a manicure brush. Sparingly apply Easy Flow Primer to natural nail only for adhesion of acrylic. Sparingly apply Easy Flow Primer to natural nail only for adhesion of acrylic. Sparingly apply second coat of Easy Flow Primer to the natural nail. Avoid getting primer on the tip. You will need the following Easy Flow acrylic system products to achieve the demonstrated techniques: Easy Flow A Polymer Powders, Easy Flow Competition Series Powders, Easy Boogie Nights Glitter Acrylic Powders, Easy Design Colored Acrylic Powders, Easy Flow Q Monomer Liquid, Easy Flow Color Drop, Easy Bond, Easy Flow Primer, Perfection Tips, Leisure Tips, Brush On Resin, 180 Grit Gray Fox Profile, 100 Grit White Tiger Profile, Sand Shark Pro Buffer, Pro Shine Buffing Block, Essential Oil Plus, Pro Pusher, Easy Flow UV 30 Top Coat, 1 Cuts, Purify Hand Sanitizer. Begin the Easy Flow Sculptured Nails Pink and White application with the preparation procedures for sculptured nails. Sculptured nails pink and white is achieved through a 5-section application technique. Ball 1. Using Easy Flow A Polymer White or Easy Flow Competition White or Truly White powder for faster set, place the ball on the form at the free edge. Spread the product by pushing with the belly of the brush, so product is spread evenly from side to side into the nail groove, creating the sidewalls. Create straight sidewalls by using the side of the brush. In a sweeping motion, begin at the center of the nail to create the smile line. To make the smile crisp, wet the brush and carve the smile from side to side using the tip of the brush, creating a wall of product. Ball 2. Extend your smile line using a small ball of the same color powder used in Ball 1. Place the ball down at the end of the smile line at the nail groove and blend it forward into the existing product. Using the tip of your brush, define your smile line and make it crisp. Ball 3. Repeat this application on the other side of the smile line. Ball 4. Place a pink ball in the middle of the nail bed. With the tip of the brush, push the product into the cuticle area holding your brush at a 45-degree angle. Do not let product come in contact with cuticle. At the same time, with the belly of the brush, pull the pink product toward the smile line. As the product begins to firm, lightly stroke the product all the way up against the smile line. With the tip of the brush, clean the sidewalls so there is no remaining product in the nail groove. Ball 5. The stress arch ball builds the arch location into the nail and reinforces the stress area of the nail. Place the ball in the middle of the nail. With the tip of the brush, work the product toward the cuticle, shaping the product, then brush forward to complete the nail shape. As the product is setting, remove the nail form and create the C-curve. The C-curve is the concave arch from nail groove to nail groove, which is seen when looking down the barrel of the nail from the free edge. It strengthens the structure of the nail and secures the stress location. The degree of C-curve in the artificial nail depends on the C-curve of the natural nail. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Complete the nail application with the Easy Flow Shaping and Perfecting Finishing Technique. Using the White Tiger Profile, file the sidewall straight out from the nail groove, making sure the nail is straight out of the nail groove. Repeat on the other side of the nail. Using the Easy Flow 100 Grit White Tiger file, shape the free edge of the nail to the desired shape. Holding the White Tiger horizontal to the sidewall, file the lower arch straight out from the nail groove. Repeat on the other side of the nail. Finish defining the shape with the 150 Grit Gray Wolf Profile. Start filing over the top of the nail and begin to contour file the nail. File the arch area by first working your way toward the cuticle area. Carefully file out the cuticle area, being cautious not to come in contact with the skin. Bevel the free edge of the nail to refine the convex portion of the C-curve, working toward the middle of the nail. Repeat the contour filing using the 180 Grit Gray Fox. File graduation is important to remove file marks and to achieve a high shine. Buff the nails and remove the final demarcations using the Sand Shark Pro Buffer. Buff the nails to a high shine using the Easy Flow Pro Shine Buffing Block. This ensures a perfect finish. Apply Easy Flow Essential Oil Plus to the cuticle area. Lightly massage the Essential Oil Plus into the cuticles and hands, and then have the client wash their hands. Apply 2 coats of Easy Flow UV30 Top Coat to seal the acrylic nails. Begin the Easy Flow Perfection French with Clear Overlay application with the preparation procedures for nail tip application. The selection of an oversized tip during your French tip sizing process may be necessary to prevent having too much of a taper in your end result. Apply Easy Flow brush-on resin in the well of the tip. Rock the tip on from the free edge toward the cuticle to eliminate air pockets. Cut the tip with 1 cuts to the desired length. For French tips, shape the sides and the free edge with a 150 grit gray wolf file. Once you have finished shaping, lightly buff the surface of the tip with a 240 grit sand shark file. Remove the filing dust with a manicure brush. Sparingly apply Easy Flow Primer to natural nail only for adhesion of acrylic. Sparingly apply second coat of Easy Flow Primer to the natural nail. Avoid getting primer on the tip. Using Easy Flow Clear Powder, apply 1 ball in the middle of the nail plate. Work the ball into the cuticle area using the tip of the brush and begin to pull forward over the free edge using the barrel of the brush. Apply a second ball of clear acrylic to build the arch location and to reinforce the stress area. Begin by patting this ball into the cuticle area. Remember that your concentration is in creating an arch location and lightly stroke the product forward. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Be sure to pinch completely through the molding stage to ensure the tip does not force the nail to flare. Complete the nail application by following the Easy Flow Shaping and Perfecting Finishing technique. Begin the Easy Flow Boogie Nights Overlay with Leisure Glass Tip application with the preparation procedures for nail tip application. For half-well tips, shape and gently blend the tip with the surface of the nail plate using a 150 grit gray wolf to eliminate the line of demarcation. Begin blending by filing in one direction over the top of the nail to remove the outer layer of the tip. File graduation will give you proper blending between the natural nail and the tip. Once you have blended the tip, finish by using 180 grit gray fox over the tip. Remove the filing dust with a manicure brush. Sparingly apply Easy Flow Primer to natural nail only for adhesion of acrylic. Sparingly apply second coat of Easy Flow Primer to the natural nail. Avoid getting primer on the tip. Using Boogie Nights Glitter Acrylic Powder 108, apply 1 ball in the middle of the nail plate. Work the ball into the cuticle area using the tip of the brush and begin to pull forward toward the free edge using the barrel of the brush. Be sure the entire nail is covered evenly. Using clear powder, create the arch location and overlay the entire nail. Complete the nail application by following the Easy Flow Shaping and Perfecting Finishing technique. To create the ultimate finish, apply your UV30 on the top surface of the nail as well as under the free edge. This will intensify the glitter. Begin the Easy Flow Fun French Sculptured Nails application with the preparation procedure for sculptured nails. This nail is great for covering damaged nail plates, extending the length of the nail bed for nail biters, or just having some fun with our design products. Fun French sculptured nails are achieved through a 3-section application technique. Ball 1. Using pastel-colored powder pansy, cover the nail plate in 1 ball. Very thin application at the cuticle area. Reverse define the smile line using the tip of the brush, making sure there is no product in the nail groove. Ball 2. Using Boogie Nights Glitter Acrylic 112 or any of the Boogie Nights Glitter Acrylic, sculpt the free edge of the nail. Pat with the barrel of the brush into the nail groove and sidewalls while pushing this product up to the predefined smile line. Create your desired length of nail with the side of the tip. Ball 3. Use clear powder to cap the entire nail while at the same time creating the arch location and structure for the nail. Begin by patting into the cuticle area and then stroke over the free edge. Apply a second ball of clear powder to reinforce the free edge. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Cure time, 5 minutes. Complete the fun French sculptured nails application by following the Easy Flow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. It is recommended that UV-30 is applied to the top surface as well as under the free edge for the ultimate finish. Begin the Easy Flow 4-color fade with 3D flowers application with the preparation procedures for sculptured nails. Starting at the cuticle area, visualize the length of the nail and determine the number of colors you wish to use. You also need to determine the amount of each color you will be using. Apply a small amount of Italian ice at the cuticle area, covering the first quarter of the nail plate. Using your product very wet, stroke it toward the free edge to be sure not to leave a ridge or line between this and the next color. Apply a small amount of cotton candy in the center of the nail bed. With the tip of the brush, pat and blend the cotton candy and Italian ice. Using your product very wet, stroke the product toward the free edge and be sure not to leave a ridge or line between this and the next color. Apply a small amount of grape soda in the free edge portion of the nail. With the tip of the brush, pat and blend the grape soda and cotton candy. Using a very wet product mix, brush the free edge, making sure not to leave a ridge or line between this and the next color. To finish the extension of the nail, apply a small amount of blueberry twist at the free edge of the nail. With the tip of the brush, pat and blend the blueberry twist and grape soda. Using your product wet, pat the product to the desired length. Blend the product back toward the cuticle by gently brushing back. Be sure to form the sidewalls straight out from the nail groove. Clean and shape the free edge with the side of the brush tip. Cap the entire nail in clear powder. Build the structure and stress area in the nail, creating the balance and harmony for a natural-looking nail. Pat into the cuticle area and stroke toward the free edge. Apply a second clear ball to reinforce the free edge of the nail. Once the clear powder has reached the molding stage, pinch a C-curve in the nail. Prior to the 3D art application, complete the 4-color fade application by following the Easy Flow shaping and perfecting finishing technique through the use of the sand shark. Be sure the nail is free of any oil residue before sculpting. Brush the surface of the nail with Q monomer liquid, avoiding contact with skin. This creates a tacky surface, allowing the acrylic design to adhere. To create the flower petal, apply a very small bead of powder in a dry mixture. As the acrylic sets, use the tip of the brush to create indentation and petal shape, and then redefine the side of the petals for clarity using the sides of your brush. We recommend using our competition white powder or any pastel powders for these types of applications. To create the flower leaf, apply a very small bead of powder in a dry consistency. Brush powder into leaf shape. As the product sets, make an indentation in the center of the leaf with the tip of the brush. Apply small bead of powder using a very dry consistency to the center of each flower to accent your design. It is up to your imaginations how to accent your designs. We have created a 5-petal flower, plus additional accent flowers and petals. Let your imagination go. Finish with 2 coats of Easy Flow UV30 top coat to seal the acrylic nails. Begin the Easy Flow Tiger Stripe application with the preparation procedures for sculptured nails. Remember, design nails are whatever your imagination allows. Let your imagination go. Build a very thin layer of Rocky Mountain, forming the free edge of the nail to the desired length. Push the acrylic into the nail groove to create a nice elongated smile and strong sidewalls. At this time, also draw the smile line you wish this nail to have. Accent the free edge with a thin layer of sand to create depth in the design. We have applied a very small amount of gold to accent as well. Using onyx very dry takes a very small ball. Place it in the center of the free edge and pull toward the sides, making a stripe. Define the stripe and keep them sharp using the tip of your brush and very dry product. Then place a small ball at the sidewall and pull gently toward the center. You want the product to appear wider at the sidewall and come to a point in the center of the nail. Stagger the stripes to cover the free edge. Remember to keep them defined. Place a clear ball in the middle of the nail bed. With the tip of the brush, push the product into the cuticle area, holding your brush at a 45-degree angle. Do not let the product come in contact with the cuticle. At the same time, with the belly of the brush, pull the clear ball toward the free edge. Cover the design portion of the nail using a clear ball. Use this ball very wet so that it blends into the stripes and doesn't create any bubbles. Apply a third clear ball to build the arch location in the nail and reinforce the stress area. Place the ball in the middle of the nail using the tip of the brush. Push toward the cuticle and blend the product by pulling forward, finishing working the ball by lightly stroking over the entire nail. Pinch a C-curve in the nail. Complete the tiger stripe application by following the Easy Flow Shaping and Perfecting finishing technique. Begin the Easy Flow Color Drop Nail with Boogie Nights application with the preparation procedures for sculptured nails. Mix monomer to desired color by adding liquid drops. The more drops you add, the darker the liquid will become. Using the colored monomer with any of the Boogie Nights powders, build the free edge of the nail. Our artist is demonstrating with Boogie Nights 108. Work the product just like you would a sculptured nail. When sculpting, push the product into the nail groove and sidewalls using the barrel of the brush. Define the smile line using the tip of the brush and elongate the smile line using a small ball of acrylic on each side of the smile. There are many combinations of liquid drops and Boogie Nights that you can do. Just try it and have fun. Complete the nail using clear powder for the nail bed. Place the clear ball in the middle of the nail bed. With the tip of the brush, push the product into the cuticle area, holding your brush at a 45-degree angle. Avoid product contact with cuticle. At the same time, with the belly of the brush, pull the clear powder toward the smile line. As the product begins to set, lightly stroke the product all the way up against the smile line. The stress arch ball builds the arch location into the nail and reinforces the stress area of the nail. Place the ball in the middle of the nail. With the tip of the brush, work toward the cuticle, shaping the product, brushing forward to complete the nail shape. Reinforce the free edge of the nail using clear powder and blend it into the nail. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Complete the Color Drop Nail with Boogie Nights application by following the Easy Flow Shaping and Perfecting finishing technique. Begin the Flower Design Nail application with the preparation procedures for sculptured nails. Apply a thin application of clear on the free edge and nail bed. Define the sidewalls and the length. This is going to begin forming the structure of the nail. Using After Party from the Walk of Fame collection, fade a thin layer over the entire nail from the cuticle to the free edge. This will create a background for your nail design. Accent your nail by blending in a small amount of In the Green Room, another Walk of Fame color. Using Rosestone from the Earthstone collection, apply a ball of rosestone at the free edge and fade into the gold on the free edge only toward the cuticle. Define your free edge and sidewalls for the finished look. Using Competition White, begin to create your flower. Make 2 petals, left side, right side, larger. Make 2 petals, top, bottom, smaller. Use the side of the brush to make an indentation in the middle of the flowers. Remember to use very small amounts of product. This nail must be capped in clear and remain structurally correct and thin. Repeat the process for the desired number of flowers. Place a small ball of Competition White in the middle of each flower. As the product is drying, press the tip of the brush into the center to open the middle of the flowers. In the middle of the center, place a small ball of terracotta to accent the flowers. Stems. Make the stem of the flower using a very dry mixture of Lily of the Valley, making your lines crisp with the tip of the brush as the product sets. Leaves. Using Lily of the Valley, place a ball and pull to a point, leaving a wide center. Indent the open end using the tip of the brush. Apply the desired number of leaves for your design. Cap in clear. Apply the clear powder over the design portion of the nail first. Using clear powder very wet so that there are no bubbles and it flows into the design. Continue building the remainder of the nail to create the structure and strength in the nail. Be sure the entire design is covered with clear to enable you to file and finish. Reminder: if the fade or underlay of gold is too thick, the nail will not remain flexible or be able to be molded. The thinner the product, the more flexible the result. As the clear powder is setting, mold the nail. Complete the flower design nail application by following the Easy Flow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. Be careful not to file into your design. Begin the Perfection French with pink and white overlay application with the preparation procedures for Perfection tip applications. The Perfection French with pink and white overlay is achieved through a 3 or 4 section application technique. Apply Easy Flow brush-on resin in the well of the tip. Rock the tip on from the free edge toward the cuticle to eliminate air pockets. Cut the tip with 1 cuts to the desired length. For French tips, shape the sides and the free edge with a 150 grit gray wolf file. Once you have finished shaping, lightly buff the surface of the tip with a 240 grit sand shark file. Remove the filing dust with a manicure brush. Sparingly apply Easy Flow primer to natural nail only for adhesion of acrylic. Sparingly apply second coat of Easy Flow primer to the natural nail. Avoid getting primer on the tip. Bowl 1. Using product wet, apply a white ball, Competition White, Truly White, or White, on the white tip and draw your smile line. Pat the product into place. Follow the predefined smile line using the tip of the brush to make the smile crisp. Ball 2. Place a pink ball in the middle of the nail bed. With the tip of the brush, push the product into the cuticle area, holding your brush at a 45-degree angle. Do not let product come in contact with cuticle. At the same time, with the belly of the brush, pull the pink toward the smile line. Ball 3. The stress arch ball builds the arch location into the nail and reinforces the stress area of the nail. Place the ball in the middle of the nail. With the tip of the brush, work toward the cuticle, shaping the product brushing forward to complete the nail shape. Pinch the C-curve in the nail once the acrylic is in its molding stage and no longer tacky. Remember, when pinching a tip, to pinch through the entire molding stage so that the tip doesn't force the acrylic to flare. Complete the Perfection French with pink and white overlay application by following the Easy Flow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. Begin the one-ball application with natural powder with the preparation procedures for sculptured nails. Using clear or natural powder, apply one ball in the middle of the nail plate. Work the ball into the cuticle area using the tip of the brush and begin to pull forward toward the free edge using the barrel of the brush. Continue to work in the side walls and clean the nail grooves with the tip of the brush. Pull product into place using the barrel of the brush and keeping the product wet. Apply a second ball of acrylic if necessary to build the arch location and reinforce the stress area. Once the nail is in its molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use both of your thumbnails to pinch a C-curve into the nail the entire length of the nail body. Complete the one-ball application with natural powder by following the Easy Flow shaping and perfecting finishing technique. Easy Flow. Innovation, creativity, style. The demonstrated application techniques will allow you, the nail professional, to expose your innovation, explore your creativity, express your style. Let your imagination take you to the next level. With Easy Flow, you can. See your authorized Easy Flow distributor for the following products. Easy Flow Deluxe Pro Line Acrylic Kit is a comprehensive kit of all the Easy Flow acrylic products, including files, forms, and tips. Easy Flow has designed the Deluxe Pro Line Acrylic Kit to enable technicians to experience all aspects of Easy Flow's innovative systems, including Easy Flow's pink and white acrylics, Boogie Nights glitter acrylics, and Easy Flow's design products in tip overlay or nail form application. Easy Flow A polymer powders combine the latest technology in color control along with unparalleled strength and durability. Advanced UV inhibitors prevent any discoloration. Combine your choice of Easy Flow polymer with Q monomer to create beautiful, strong nails. These powders are available in pink, white, clear, natural, and truly white. Easy Flow competition system powders have the highest quality and most consistent colors available on the market today. Enhanced strength and durability will allow the nail technician to design thinner and more natural-looking nails. Competition powders are fast-set powders for technicians who like a fast application. These powders are available in competition white, a bright white, and competition pink. Easy Flow Boogie Nights glitter acrylic powders are made with our A polymer powders. The exciting Boogie Nights enable technicians to increase their salon revenues. These powders come in 2 collections of 15 powders and should be capped in clear powder for the finish result. Collection 1, Dare to be Dazzling, has subtle glitter accents for the traditional pink, truly white, and clear powders. Collection 2, The Walk of Fame, are mesmerizing glitters that create an excitement that no one can match. Easy Design colored acrylic powders are designed for art and creating fun, exciting nails. With 40 colors, the wide range of colors allows the technician to create excitement with fun applications. They can be used for color fading, inlay designs, and 3-dimensional art. Our special blending of the design sculptured powder guarantees vibrant and consistent colors. Easy Flow Q monomer liquid was designed to combine easy application with a superior quality product. The enhanced color stabilizers ensure no yellowing, and the plasticizers act as shock absorbers to eliminate the chipping and breaking associated with most other monomers. Easy Flow Color Drop Rainbow Color Drops are concentrated pigmentation in liquid form. Simply add drops to your traditional monomer to give you alternative colors of the acrylic. Easy Bond is a pH balancing agent and a dehydrator for the nail plate. Easy Bond should be used prior to primer, resins, or polish. Easy Bond does not penetrate the nail plate. Easy Flow Primer penetrates the surface of the nail plate and dehydrates the nail completely. Primer prepares the nail for the best adhesion of any product on the market. Leisure tips have a full well tip designed to be the most universal tip with expanded sidewalls. Leisure tips fit the widest range of client nail shapes. Glass leisure tips are made with crystal clear plastic. Glass leisure tips give technicians the ability to create beautiful glass nails or design nails without sculpting the nails. Easy Flow Brush-On Resin is a medium viscosity resin that is designed to work with either fiberglass or silk applications. It is also excellent for tip applications. The brush-on applicator gives the technician total control of the resin during the application. Brush-on resin delivers excellent clarity and has great strength. The 180 Grit Gray Fox Profile is designed to smooth finish artificial nails as well as prepare the natural nail plate for artificial nail application. Spray sanitation is recommended. The 100 Grit White Tiger Profile is light and easy for technicians to use, with a reinforced center, which prevents the file from breaking while being used. It is used for sidewall filing and shaping the artificial nail. The White Tiger Profile is a sanitizable file. Sand Shark Pro Buffer is designed to assure the best finish possible for your artificial nails. After filing the nails with the profiles, use the Sand Shark. The Sand Shark is used dry on the nails. Pro Shine Buffing Block is the #1 choice of nail competitors. The thick foam center allows technicians to get a high shine without leaving any file marks on the nail. Easy Flow Perfect C-Curve forms are used to create the most beautiful, natural-looking sculptured nails. They are designed with vertical and horizontal guidelines that allow the technician to customize the length. Their array of shapes allows you to fit any nail shape. Professional Artist Brush Collection. All of the Easy Flow Professional Artist brushes are handmade with the highest quality Kolinsky Sable blend of bristles. The ferrule of the brush secures the bristles with a high-quality epoxy resin to eliminate shedding of the bristles after cleaning. Available in 4 shapes and sizes. UV30 Top Coat protects the artificial nails from ultraviolet exposure. The reflective barrier in UV30 is also an optical enhancer that brings out the natural look of the nail bed and the clean white of the free edge. UV30 is a sealer for artificial surfaces only, not for use with polish. Easy Flow Pro Pusher is a handcrafted tool that acts as 2 tools in one. It not only exposes excess cuticle, but also eliminates it from the nail plate. The thorough and proper use of this tool will help eliminate lifting, which is caused by improper preparation of the natural nail. The Pro Pusher can also be used for manicure and pedicure services. Easy Flow Spa Elements, an organic line of manicure and pedicure products that soothes the mind, body, and soul. The Spa Elements Manicure Pedicure System is comprised of 5 all-natural organic products to help soothe, hydrate, and rejuvenate the skin. Each product contains carefully selected botanicals that nourish hands and feet while melting away stress and muscle tension. This 5-step system is designed to transform each manicure and pedicure into a spa experience. Step 1. Lemon Tree Soak is a purifying soak containing natural lemon extracts and healing tea tree oil to cleanse, deodorize, and soothe skin during manicure and pedicure. Step 2. Crystal Mineral Scrub exfoliates with a blend of Dead Sea salts, ginger, shea butter, and jojoba oil to slough away dry skin. Crystal Mineral Scrub is an instant spa treatment. Step 3. Buttermint Buffing Scrub is a gentle exfoliant with sweet orange, peppermint, spearmint leaves, and coconut oil to enrapture your skin with luxury and polish the skin. Step 4. White Tea Massage Lotion combines an exotic blend of white tea, ginger, wild yam, and black walnut extract to detoxify and ease muscle tension. Step 5. Ginger Root Moisturizing Lotion penetrates to moisturize, enrich, and rehydrate the skin while fighting signs of aging. Easy Flow. Innovation, creativity, style. With Easy Flow, you can.